Introducing AI Meeting Room in a Box. Are you tired of wasting time setting up conference rooms and not getting good quality hybrid meetings? IPEVO has a solution for you. With IPEVO, you can eliminate the complex conference room setup and elevate meeting experiences. Instead, use the time to enjoy some coffee. Transform any space into a hybrid-ready conference room with IPEVO in just 15 minutes, or even less. AI Meeting Room in a Box is a package that provides conference cameras that make sure everyone is seen, takes care of your audio, and works with a software that provides real-time translation and transcribes speech instantly, enhancing workflow and saving time. All of these features, just in a box. In this box, we have two panoramic conference cameras, the Totem 180 or 360. Totem 360 provides a 360-degree view, suitable for round-table meetings, where everyone is captured. Totem 180 provides a 180-degree view of the conference, ideal for placing at the front of the conference table. For the audio, we have the Vocal Hub Ensemble, designed for group meetings and larger conference settings, which pairs up to 6 speakerphones wirelessly through the Vocal Hub. These speakerphones are equipped with two-way AI noise reduction and range up to 50 feet. With the camera and audio ready, our Meeting Minutes software brings your experience to a whole new level. Verbo.ai, a software that uses AI to transcribe, translate, and summarize any conversation into text, so you can easily access the content for various usage. All three in one box, just plug and play. AI Meeting Room in a Box works in all different scenarios: small/medium business meetings, boardroom upgrades, act as a mobile meeting room, or even at public meetings. For example, you can upgrade your boardroom easily, with no need for installation or wiring. Before upgrading, everyone would be squeezing in front of the camera. With AI Meeting Room in a Box, everyone is seen and heard just from their seat. This is your one-stop shopping option. Just simply plug and play. Everything just in a box. IPEVO AI Meeting Room in a Box. Your go-to solution.